Hey everybody, it's me again, Sami Abusad, Director of Education at T3 Live, coming at you with another weekly video on the cryptocurrency market in this case, and not the stock market. I just finished recording a video on the US market, equities market. If you're interested, be sure to watch that. If not, just today right now I'm going to talk about the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency items that I like even more, namely the Ripple XRP. I talked about Bitcoin in last week's video. It was actually topping out, and I didn't really expect it, to tell you the truth, to go right back up. But notice it went right back up, printed a wide range bar, very, very bullish. And now it looks higher again. I don't think you're going to make a lot of money, personally. That's what I think. I don't think it's going to make a lot of money buying the breakout, but it's setting up as a breakout over the base. Stop right here. I think it has a couple more. Maybe it gets to $10,000 or so, probably. But it's a big stop. It's about $800, the stop. And if we look at the larger time frames, this is the daily chart of Bitcoin. If we look at, say, the weekly chart, we're already into resistance. So any kind of a pop, and it might top out. Next pivot here looks like is about 9,948, so about $10,000. Next one after that is maybe 12,000 or so, 11,600. So that's what I see for Bitcoin. I didn't think I'd be saying this week, because last week I thought we had at least a minor top, and we did, but then we went right back up. So very, very bullish indeed. So that's the next resistance area, about, I think I said $9,500, and then the one after that is about 11,600, are the next two levels up, next two resistance areas for Bitcoin. Better than the Bitcoin, in my opinion, is Ripple, XRP, which ended the weekly downtrend. So if you look at XRP, was in a long-term weekly downtrend, and it finally broke that weekly downtrend. So I like it higher on the next buy setup, on the next entry. This is the weekly chart, so I just want to see maybe a small pullback and then higher, and it's free and clear all the way up to the prior top at 250. I think Ripple got to 3 something, not 250, because I was in it. I had 5,000 shares, bought it at 25 cents, and it went to 3 something, I believe. But let me just take a look. Yeah, 331. So really, there are some resistance areas, like right here is a resistance area, right here a little bit, 70 cents is a little bit of a resistance area, but I think that's not a significant one. How do I know it's not a significant resistance area? Can you tell if a prior pivot high should be considered significant or not? How can you tell? Well, you look at the sell-off that it produced. Did this sell-off make new lows? Did it make new lows? And the answer is no, it didn't. So that resistance area cannot be considered major resistance. This did make new lows. So that's why I think on Ripple, next target, the target area, target 1, would be about 90 cents or so. It's at 38 at the moment. So it could double, triple almost before it reaches the next resistance area. And then after that, $3, $3.30. So that's Ripple. Let's take a look at the monthly. Monthly is not the best, but it found support. So I like it. And then the daily has a buy setup. Very sloppy. That's the problem with Ripple. It's extremely sloppy. But available to buy at any of the major exchanges. Coinbase, Bittrex, Gemini, what else? Poloniex. Those are the 4 major exchanges in the U.S. and many other ones overseas. I have an account with Binance, which is a good one, because you know what? BNS, I think, is their coin. BNS is by far the strongest thing out there. Or no, BNB. Oh my God, it is by far the strongest cryptocurrency. Look at this, all-time highs, $35. I remember when I bought it at $11 or $10. It went to 11. Probably this buy setup right here, and I got out of it. And look at it at $35, all-time highs. So this is the strongest cryptocurrency out there by far. But it doesn't have buying the strongest isn't always the best idea, because sometimes the strongest is already too far gone, or it might not have a setup. So that's the issue, I think, with Binance, BNB. But I watch it. I look at it almost every day to see if I can get an entry. So to recap, Bitcoin still looks higher, but there are better opportunities out there. This weekend, I'm going to scan the cryptocurrency market. There's like 800 coins that you can buy from. These are called the altcoins, alternative coins, basically. Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Litecoin, Ether are the big five, are the major cryptocurrencies, but the other ones are considered the altcoins. And I'm going to scan the entire market and see if I can find something better than even Ripple and Bitcoin. But they look higher still. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this update, and I hope you have a great holiday weekend. Happy Memorial Day. I will talk to you sometime soon. Take care and enjoy.